Alright, we have low water pressure and in the house, and I'm going to check the pressure in the tank. So the first thing we have to do is turn off the power to this. So I'm going to turn that off at the breaker, and then we're going to hook a hose up to this thing, and we're going to drain it out. And then we're going to take this thing off and check the air pressure in there. So let me go get the breaker turned off first, and I'll hook up that hose in a second. Okay, the breaker is off, so we're going to hook this up. Now my hose does not have, the outlet here does not have a regular screw-on connector, so I'm just going to do this. So hopefully we have some, I'm going to have to turn that on slowly to make sure it doesn't screw up. Now we also have water coming in from the well. I'm going to turn that off if I can here. And then we're also going to turn off the water that's going up to the house, because I don't want the air, I don't want the water coming back down out of this and losing all the air pressure. So now we should be able to open this slowly. See if it will go. Okay, I can hear the water running, which is a good sign. I don't want to go too crazy on open this wide open. I'm not in a hurry. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this go. Now if you can see the gauge there, the pressure gauge, it's going to come down. And try zooming in here, maybe. Is it going to do it? We can zoom in like this. And we'll see it coming down, hopefully. Okay, now that it has stopped, we're going to go ahead and check the pressure in the tank. So let's go here, let's get a nice close-up view here of that. And so we're going to unscrew that. Then we're just going to look at anything? Nothing? I'm getting 0. And that's probably why we don't have water pressure anymore when the power goes out. So I'm going to take a tire pump and see if we can raise the pressure. I'm guessing that it's leaking or damaged or whatever, and it's not going to hold the pressure, but we're going to try it. So let me do that and I'll be right back. Okay, it has filled up to 25 and it should go up to 38, but my air pump is starting to get hot because it's been like a long time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let it sit here for however long it takes the air pump to cool down, and I'm going to watch the temperature. I'm going to watch the PSI and see if the pressure goes down over time. If it's got a slow leak, it should be visible, you know, after maybe a half hour or so. So I will be back in a little bit. All right, there we go. It is at 38. It didn't seem to leak when I let it sit for like a half hour. So, all right. And so then we just unplug this thing and we put the cap back on. And then we should be good to go as far as this goes. So what we're going to do is we are going to make sure this is off. So let's go like this. Make sure this is off again. Nice. And the cobwebs. And we're going to turn this back on, which is the in from the well. And then we're going to turn this back on again. So that's going to let water flow backwards down the pipes into the tank. So I'm going to go turn on the tank power. and the well pump should now be running. And there we go. See, as you can see, the pressure is going up. Let's go like this. Pressure's going up, and it should go up all the way to 60. It should shut off at 60. So once it does that, we'll know we're good. And then if I start getting low water pressure again, I know where to look. And I guess we know we have a leaky bladder. Yeah, that can't be solved with diapers. Okay, well, that's going to be it. And I hope you guys found this helpful. And yep, see you in the next video.